New York approach, hello, JetBlue 144, 6.6, descending 4,090, heading with November.
JetBlue 144, New York approach, fly your present heading, vectors for the ILS, runway 22 left.
22 left, JetBlue 144.
JetBlue 144, turn right heading 130, sub vector for the sequence.
Right heading 130, JetBlue 144. And quick question for you, for JetBlue 144.
Yes, sir, go ahead.
Our dispatch just texted us that Newark opened back up. Is that true or not?
Let me check for that. JetBlue 144, we're going to check, we're verifying right now, and if they happen to be open, would you like to go back?
Yeah, affirmative. We have the gas to make it back if they are open.
Okay, yeah, I'll let you know. JetBlue 144, they are open, and I'll have back to you in just a moment back to Newark.
Perfect, thank you so much, JetBlue 144.
JetBlue 144, turn right heading 220.
220, JetBlue 144.
JetBlue 144, turn right heading 320.
Right 320, JetBlue 144.
JetBlue 144, I have your clearance advised when you're ready to copy.
Ready to copy, JetBlue 144.
Okay, JetBlue 144, you're cleared to Newark Airport via radar vectors to Dixie, that's Delta India X-ray India Echo, Tango 438, Robbinsville VOR, that's Romeo Bravo Victor, Victor 249, then Sierra Bravo Juliet, and then direct.
Okay, that was radar vectors, Dixie, Tango 438, Robbinsville, Victor 249, Solberg, direct for JetBlue 144.
JetBlue 144, read back is correct, maintain 4,000, stay on this heading, and I'll have you direct Dixie in just a moment.
Copy.
JetBlue 144, turn right heading 130, I'm just going to give you one more spin until the next controller is ready to take you.
Okay, right 130 for JetBlue 144. And New York JetBlue 144.
JetBlue 144, go ahead.
Yes, ma'am, we're going to need to start head towards Newark. It's just getting a little tight now with gas.
JetBlue 144, roger. Turn right heading at 270 now.
Right turn 270, JetBlue 144.
JetBlue 144, proceed direct Dixie.
Direct Dixie, JetBlue 144. Okay, approach JetBlue 144.
JetBlue 144, go ahead.
Hey, sorry to keep bugging you, but we need to actually head towards Newark at this point. We're getting really tight on gas. We're not going to be able to fly this route they assigned us.
And JetBlue 144, are you declaring min fuel right now?
Yeah, we'll declare min fuel.
JetBlue 144, would you like to go to Kennedy at this time if you're min fuel? That'll be quicker.
All right, for JetBlue 144, yeah, we'll just press back to Kennedy.
JetBlue 144, roger. Turn left heading 070 vector to ILS runway 22 left approach.
070 vectors ILS, JetBlue 144.
And JetBlue 144, when able, can I have the souls on board and remaining fuel in pounds, please?
Stand by.
JetBlue 144, turn left heading 050.
050, JetBlue 144. Yeah, JetBlue 144, about 50 minutes of fuel, 161 souls.
JetBlue 144, roger. JetBlue 144, just verify 15 minutes in on about your fuel.
Stand by.
JetBlue 144, stepped on you. Can you say again? 15 minutes?
Negative. JetBlue 144. We currently have 1 hour and 15 minutes of gas at this time. If we were going to Newark, we were declaring min fuel, but going to JFK, we're good.
JetBlue 144, roger. JetBlue 144, turn right heading 050.
050, JetBlue 144.
JetBlue 144, contact final 132.4.
32.4, JetBlue 144. New York, JetBlue 144, checking in 4000, heading 050.
JetBlue 144, New York, Russia. You want the 22 right or 22 left, JetBlue 144?
We're set for 22 left. Oh, work.
Okay. JetBlue 144, turn left 020.
Left 020, JetBlue 144.
JetBlue 144, descend at 3000.
Down 3000, JetBlue 144.
JetBlue 144, turn left 360. JetBlue 144, left turn 350.
350, JetBlue 144.
JetBlue 144, turn left 310, descend at 2000.
310 down to 2000, JetBlue 144.
JetBlue 144, speed 190.
Speed 190, JetBlue 144.
JetBlue 144, turn left 270.
270, JetBlue 144.
JetBlue 144, you're 7 from Zalpo, left turn 250, 2000 till established, cleared our left runway 22 left approach.
250, 2000 till established, cleared ILS 22 left approach, JetBlue 144.
JetBlue 144, 180 knots to Zalpo, Kennedy Towers, 119.1, good day.
180 Zalpo, mid 19.1, have a good day, thanks Philip, JetBlue 144.
You're welcome.
Okay, Tower, JetBlue 144, Zalpo, ILS 22 left.
Blue 144, Kennedy Tower, runway 22 left, clear to land, the wind 220 at 11.
Clear to land, copy the wind, JetBlue 144, 22 left.
JetBlue 144, exit hotel, Zulu, Golf, hold short 22 right.
Okay, Hotel Zulu, Golf, hold short 22 right for JetBlue 144.
JetBlue 144, do you require any assistance for the emergency vehicles?
Negative, but thank you, JetBlue 144.
Alright, JetBlue 144 again, just hold short 22 right at Golf for me.
Hold short 22 right at Golf for JetBlue 144.